Hi everyone, really excited today. It's my pleasure to introduce Tristan Curry from Aust Insurance. Good to have you here today, Tristan.
Welcome, thank you, Rob.
So today I just wanted to ask you, what's your top tip for people if they're thinking of home and contents insurance?
I think the biggest thing with home and contents insurance is the contents component. Many people I find are underinsured. When you're looking at your contents, you have to consider replacement value of your clothing, your jewellery, your furniture, or your white goods. It all adds up. Very quickly you can estimate $50,000, $100,000, but if you really add all the missus' handbags, all her jewellery, especially all those high heel shoes,
Absolutely.
it adds up, mate.
The wine cellar.
Ah, the wine cellar, exactly. Best thing is just to spend 5 or 10 minutes walking through the house, notarizing things as you go. Give yourself the best chance.
Fantastic. I think the really good thing I like about your company, Tristan, is in the past when we've had insurance and other clients that we've referred to you, is that you really go out there and shop and get the best deal every time.
Look, we try our best.
How do you do that?
Look, as a broker, we're not aligned to any one insurance company. We approach the market. Doesn't matter who the insurance company is. Our interests are in the client's pocket, similar to yourselves. You know, we act wholly and solely for the insurance purchaser as you do the property buyer. So we go to market and find the best insurance companies, the best price, the best policy, go back to our clients with those options and then recommend what we feel is best.
Right, fantastic. There you go, folks. So what Tristan's saying is they're totally independent. They go out and they shop for the best deal. In your industry, what are you experiencing at the moment in terms of the biggest threats, the biggest changes, and are there any new policies coming through?
Oh, definitely. The biggest exposures in Australia at the moment I find are around cyber. The cyberspace. There's been a few cyber liability products introduced in the past couple of years which are really worth considering for big business. Only this morning have I read 1.2 million usernames and passwords were stolen by Russians around the world. It's not really a risk for people. I suggest people change their passwords. Just a little hint, but that's something that is growing in this world. People getting behind computers and doing just as much damage, if not more, than a guy with a lighter and a tank of fuel.
Scary stuff. Yeah.
Definitely.
And the policies are fairly, are they inexpensive for something like that? Or are they...
It ranges. You know, something like a medical centre can get it for about $1,500, whereas someone that manages more specific private details, things like credit cards and alike, might look at something a bit more expensive, but it depends.
Okay, fantastic. Tristan, how can people get in touch with you?
They can call me directly. They can speak to you, of course, Rob. You can reach me at tristan@austins.com.au, visit our website, call my mobile, whatever's best.
Fantastic. And just type of insurances that you mainly cover? Is it general? Or?
Yeah, we are general insurance brokers. Business is our specialty, but we also look at property insurance, mainly on the larger scales. But for you, Rob, we look at anything.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very much for coming today.
No worries.
Tristan, always good to see you.
Appreciate it, mate. Thank you for the invite.